New Gear remote control app uses Bluetooth 5.0 to lock and unlock your car with just a shake. Lock. Unlock. With the New Gear car app, you can control your car with a push of a button. Lock. Unlock. Pop the trunk. Push the horn. And even start. So aside from having the shake feature to unlock and lock your car and the push button, the app also comes with an automatic lock and unlock. So if you move away from the car, it locks. As you come closer, it unlocks. So I've gone into settings and I've set it to automatic lock and unlock. Let's try this puppy out. Yeah. Good. Yeah, that's right. Sorry. Oh, I've got that meeting on Friday. That's right. Hey, wait a second. Yeah.